Position of adverbs in English sentences. It's topic adjective adverb in English grammar explanations. So the position of adverbs in sentences. We can put adverbs in different positions in sentences. There are three main positions, but also a lot of exceptions. In English, we never put an adverb between the verb and the object. Correct. We often play handball. Incorrect. We play often handball. So we should say we often play handball. The three main positions of adverbs in English sentences. First, adverb at the beginning of a sentence. Unfortunately, we could not see Mount Snowdon. Adverb in the middle of a sentence. The children often ride their bikes. Adverb at the end of a sentence. Andy reads a comic every afternoon. More than one adverb at the end of a sentence. If there are more adverbs at the end of a sentence, the word order is normally manner, place, time. Peter sang the song happily in the bathroom yesterday evening. Again, manner, place, time. How, where, when. Happily in the bathroom yesterday evening. So it was the topic, the position of adverbs in English sentences.